Hello there, everyone. This is Ocean Jedi Master, and I'm here for part 2 of a breakdown of things I either missed or forgot to talk about during episodes 1 and 2 of Ahsoka. First things first, when we see Sabine in Ezra's old contour, we actually see the orange and yellow scout trooper helmet that Ezra used during season 4. And it's possibly also the same one he used season 3 before it got its orange and yellow paint job. Thing about this is I wasn't expecting to see it, so that's probably why I missed it. Because according to Galaxy's Edge, that thing was somehow acquired and put in Galaxy's Edge, where a Mandalorian wearing very similar armor to Sabine. In fact, I'm 99% sure it's Sabine's itself purchases it. Now, I don't know if this is during and it is made to assume that this happened during the First Order conflict, i.e. like the 30s ABY after Battle of Yavin, i.e. nearly 2 decades after Ahsoka. So unless that part actually happens before Ahsoka, which would be confusing, I mean somehow or Dave Filoni's retconning that. He has been known to retcon a few things in the past, so that could be another example of that. The Arabish on Sabine's biker helmet that we see in the beginning one actually spells babe. And it also has Lothcats on it. Now we don't see there's something on the other side, but I am hoping the Ezra Bean shipper, i.e. Ezra X Sabine shipper I am, is hoping that the other side says Ezra's. So that way it says Ezra's babe. That's my shipper instinct talking about. There's also a chopper and Lothcats and Mothwolf paintings around Sabine's bunk sorry, no, not Lothwolf, it's just Lothcats and Sabine and chopper paintings on Sabine's bunk in Ahsoka's ship. Spectre 21 is piloting an E-Wing from Legends, and on top of that, Spectre 21, which is one of the pilots who were trying to stop Sabine and get her back to the ceremony, is a reference to the Spectre crew, i.e. the Ghost crew from Rebels, which is Kaden Jarrus, aka Caleb Doom, who is Spectre 1, and he's Ezra's master. Hera Syndulla is the daughter of Cham Syndulla, Spectre 2. C-110P/Chopper, i.e. the droid that was with Hera in Episode 2, is Spectre 3. Gara Zebarelios, who we saw in Mandalorian Season 3, as the Lasat we saw in Season 3 of Mandalorian, is Spectre 4. Sabine Wren, who is the daughter of Ursa and Alec Wren and older sister of Tristan Wren, is Spectre 5. Ezra Bridger, son of Ephraim and Mira Bridger, is Spectre 6. And Jason Syndulla, who is the son of Kanan Jarrus and Hera Syndulla, is Spectre 7. Which means the pilots on Lothal probably took in the call signs for the Spectre crew. Shin Hati actually seems nervous, as if she doesn't know what the grand plan is or what's going on. Kind of like how Sidious left Darth Maul in the dark of his grand plan. Anyways, that's all. Goodbye.